Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to solve textbook exercises of chapter number 11, Clothes We Wear. Now, this is your textbook exercise, children. Fill in the blanks. Dash make us look neat and smart. Dash make us look neat and smart. So what will come over here? We have to think and write. But even if you know the answer, okay, and if you don't know the spelling, then you won't be able to write. So what you have to do? You have to learn the spellings also of this chapter, okay. Remember, children, that you will have to learn the spellings. Fine. Now yes, so we will write over here, C will be capital Y because it's the beginning of a sentence, isn't it? CLOTHES, clothes. Clothes make us look neat and smart. Then the second one, in dash we wear light cotton clothes. In which season do we wear light cotton clothes, children? In which season? We wear light cotton clothes in the summer season. In summer, SUMMER. In summer we wear light cotton clothes. Then next one is clothes made from wool keep us dash. Clothes made from wool keep us warm, isn't it? Now it is winter season and we are all experiencing cold, isn't it? So you all must be wearing sweaters, cardigans, pullovers, isn't it? So woolen clothes, they keep us warm. Some materials like dash and dash are made in factories. Some materials like nylon and rayon, isn't it? So they are made in factories. So what are we going to write over here? Some materials like rayon, 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 nylon, NY, one second, children, NYLON, nylon, are made in factories. Children wear dash to school. Children wear uniform to school, isn't it? When you used to come to school, you used to wear uniform, isn't it? So let us write uniform over here. UNIFORM, uniform. Okay. Now let us see the next question, children. Now write true or false. We wear the same clothes all through the year. Is it true? No, it is false. So let us write false. FALSE. Okay. Then cotton clothes help us to stay warm. This is also false. Leather, next one, third one. Leather is made from thick, soft hair of sheep. This is also false. Then next is synthetic materials are made in factories. Synthetic materials are made in factories. Yes, it is true. TRUE, true. Then people in different parts of the country wear different clothes. So what will be over here? People in different parts of the country wear different clothes. It is true. Yes. People in different parts of the country, they wear different clothes. It's absolutely correct. Okay. Now next. Now the next one, children. We wear dash. Okay. We have to match the columns. First I will read all on the A side, then I will read all on the B side. Okay. Children, first I will read all on the A side, then I will read all on the B side. Let us begin. We wear clothes. Second, cotton clothes. Third, woolen clothes. Fourth, rayon and nylon. Fifth, raincoats. Then B. A. That are synthetic materials are worn when it is raining to cover our body, are worn in summer, are worn in winter. Okay, now what we have to do is matching. So I will not match, I will write the letters over in front. We wear clothes. to cover our body, isn't it? So we will write C over here. Dash C. Okay, then cotton clothes are worn in summer. This one, D1, isn't it? So write D. Okay. Then woolen clothes are worn in winter. E1, that is. Rayon and nylon are synthetic material. A. Then raincoats are worn when it is raining. B. Okay, so with this we have completed this exercise also. You have to complete this in your textbook, children, and you have to learn them with spellings. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to answer your questions in the exam. Then next, answer the following questions. What do clothes protect us from? Clothes protect us from heat, cold, wind and rain. Okay, you have to learn it. What kind of clothes do we wear in summer and winter? Now before this we should have left a line blank over here. Anyway, when you write in your practice notebooks, first you will learn with spellings and then you write. Okay, we wear clothes in summer to keep us cool and woolen clothes in winter to keep us warm. Then the next question, what are uniforms? Special clothes that people wear to work or to school are called uniforms. What are man-made materials? The materials that are made in factories using chemicals are called man-made materials or synthetic material. They are called as man-made material or synthetic material. Okay, so that's it, children. So now what you have to do, you have to complete your textbook exercises also. One second. Okay, so we have completed all the textbook exercises. Now what you have to do is, your part starts now. You have to learn the spellings, read the chapter thoroughly, learn the spelling, say it and write it five times each. Okay, and complete these exercises in your textbook. Thank you, children. God bless you. Bye bye.